Want more tips to get more sales on Redbubble by selecting the suitable niches to work in? In this video, I'd like to show you one of my recent days sales, and there are 3 lessons you have to be mindful of while uploading new designs on Redbubble. And also get together to my Redbubble sales message. Let's go. You have made a sale. Congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble, and this customer from United States. And our today's design is about football sport. As you see, one kids pullover hoodie of football lover, American football player quote. And then you'll find 3 lessons you have to know if you want to get more sales on Redbubble or another print on demand platform. The first one is the niche or the sub niche. I always tell you in many videos, if you're a beginner or a newbie on Redbubble or any other print on demand platform, you have to go through less competitive niches or sub niches. Thus, you can stand out of the crowd and you can escape from the huge competition in the big niches. For example, if you work in the dog niche, it is a huge and competitive niche. So you have to niche it down, and you can break this a big niche to many sub niches. Or you can work in many different dog types. Like you have to work on husky sub niche, Bernese mountain dog, bulldog, and so on. As such, our today's design, football sport, is a sub niche from the big niche, which is sport niche or pole sport niche. Okay, thus here you can target audience who are interested only in that sport or American football. So the first lesson you have to know about this design is you have to go through sub niches or less competitive niches. Second one is the headline or the title of your design. As you see, my title consists of 2 parts: football lover and American football player quote. So here you have to select the main keyword of your design that have less search results or are less competitive: football lover and American football player quote. So if you have a look at Redbubble on the home page, and here we can look for something about football, American football lover quote, and something like that. For example, you can type here American football quote, and here you have to select one of the main keyword in the Redbubble suggestions. As you see, American football quote, American football men, American football funny, and so on, because they are the most searched terms or keywords regarding this search query, American football on Redbubble. And here you select this one, American football quote, like me. Here you will find my design ranked high on search results among over 6,000 designs. And of course, my design is ranked high on search results due to 2 reasons. The first one, I get many sales from that design. Thus, Redbubble rewards me and pushes my design higher on search results as it's a highly required design. The second one is my design is more relevant and related to that search query, which is American football quote. So here you will find a lot of relevant and related search results like my design. As you see, football lover, American football funny quote. So second lesson, you have to select the main keyword of your design which have less search results, and preferably from Redbubble suggestions. As you see, American football quote or American football men or American football funny, because they are frequently searched on Redbubble. Let's go back to our drawing board, to our design, as you see. And the third lesson you have to know about that design, if you're a beginner or a newbie on Redbubble, that is, you have to activate all items on Redbubble as much as possible. And in our case, it's kids pullover hoodie or kids class. And unfortunately, most of you ignore activating all items or kids class, even though they are very important in these such platforms. So you have to activate all items including kids class, because you don't know what items your customer wants your design on, like tank top, shower curtains, sticker, t-shirt or kids pullover hoodie or kids cloth in general. So you have to keep in mind these 3 lessons while working on Redbubble or any other print-on-demand platform. The first one, you have to go through sub-niches or less competitive niches. And of course, if you want to know what the difference between cross-niche, sub-niche, and the big niche, you'll find this video below in the description box. And second lesson, you have to go through and select the main keyword of your design which have less search results or less competition. And the third lesson, you have to activate all items as much as possible in order not to lose any sale. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.